pillow fight?
Okay, so we just got to the Bronco Ranch. We had breakfast. The food was delicious, and we went to the resort. I think it was Jay's restaurant. But anyways, had breakfast, and then he told us to come to the Bronco Ranch and look at the like all the rooms. This is where the VIPs stay when they come ride Broncos. So yeah, we're about to take a tour. So this is where the VIPs stay. It's very pretty. The chairs are really nice. Gorgeous kitchen. Oh wow, really nice bedrooms.
It's large.
Amazing view on the deck.
Dad said it came with the ranch and they expanded it. Huh.
This is super nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. I like it. I told what did y'all do such and such night? Said, Christy, you should
Oh
like it."
wow.
Well, yeah, I think
This is so pretty.
Christy wanted to use your
You can see all the
little
Broncos.
stove. He goes, good, that's what it's there for.
Oh wow, look at the deck.
He told us not to clean anything. He said, leave it alone. He said, I've got people. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
So we're good. But yeah, this house is nice.
Run away. You're fine. Oh wow. Very pretty.
Oh, this is original with something else?
And every room has such a nice view too. It smells nice.
Yeah.
Oh, these seats are comfy.
Well, duh. Uh-oh. Oh. It hadn't been started, so I think it died.
Oh. Well, we got it started up. Had a little technical difficulties, but it's okay.
What do you think? Do you like it?
I love it. The seats are so nice. Everything about it's nice.
Purrs like a little kitten, doesn't it?
It does.
We go cruising.
Oh wow, it feels, the steering wheel feels really cool.
Uh-huh.
I've never used a steering wheel like
It's very tight,
this. Yes.
but I like tight.
This drives so smooth. I love it. Yeah, very smooth. Oh my gosh. Woo!
Ready to be back home?
No, I don't want to go home. I want to stay at the kingdom.
The kingdom.
Yes. We're about to take off. Thomas is excited. She's a little nervy. Woo! But it's okay. She'll be feeling good. But this is so cool. Hello.
Jody and Mike.
Ready for takeoff. Watching her show. Got smart popcorn. He found some Dawn Julio.
Vicky.
Oh.
Out of 10.
This is great. I never want to fly commercial ever again.
Are you happy?
I am so happy. The chair can lean back.
How far back can it lean?
I don't know.
Lean it back.
I don't know how.
You ain't got nothing to worry about.
I literally don't know how to lean it
Just
back.
play with it. You're good.
That's not it.
Isn't it right here? Maybe not. I don't know. Doesn't matter. You're still happy, aren't you? You happy?
I ate my Doritos, I ate my cookies, and I got
I told Jody she was concerned about how cold y'all were, and I told her that y'all were flying with the best. She's like, we're not the best, but we know the best. They're wonderful. Yeah. I'm glad you're happy. I know. Just living the dream. What's Boo think? Boo's happy. Turn it back. You ever had a pillow fight?
Oh my God.
How was the flight? It was good.
And the pillow fight in the air.
It was all a dream.
Oh my God, that was so funny.
Much better flight than a commercial flight for the alley cat.
You literally.
She's doing so good.
Straight across the face.
Did he have that time? She's been pissed off.
And I don't even care. Do it again.
Oh God, I can't. Whole new
Should I
world.
adjust your cabin pressure? Jack Nicholson. You ever had a pillow fight? Are you okay now? Are you okay now? How about now? Alex, are you?
Just landed in Smyrna.
They're tricky. Yeah.
Okay, coming down.
These little rickety steps.
Okay.
You can hold on to this. Okay.
Great flight. Jody, so sweet. The weather's definitely different back home. I'm gonna miss Texas, but overall great trip.